Hello everyone. Today I will discuss one of the most commonly used depreciation methods in accounting, which is the straight line depreciation method. Sa presentation na ito, ipapaliwanag ko kung ano ang depreciation, paano gumagana ang straight line method at magbibigay din ako ng isang sample problem na sasagutan natin step by step. Unahin muna natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng depreciation. Ang depreciation ay isang pagbaba ng value ng isang asset habang ginagamit ito. Nangyayari ito dahil sa wear and tear, pagkaluma o technological changes. Sa accounting, ginagamit natin ang depreciation para ma-spread ang cost ng asset bawat taon, imbis na i-record lahat sa isang taon lang. Next is, what is straight line method? Ang straight line method ang pinakasimple at pinakamadaling gamitin. Dito, pare-pareho ang depreciation expense bawat taon. Ibig sabihin kung magkano nababawasan sa year 1, ganoon din sa year 2 hanggang sa last year. Perfect ito sa mga assets na hindi mabilis masira gaya ng computers, office furniture, building at equipment. Para magamit ang straight line method, kailangan natin ng tatlong importanteng values. First is the cost of the asset, meaning magkano natin ito binili. And the second one is the salvage value. Ang meaning naman ito ay estimated value after useful life. And the third one is the useful life, meaning ilang taon natin gagamitin ang asset. Kapag nakuha na natin ito, makukuha natin ang depreciable amount or the cost minus salvage value. Ang formula ng straight line depreciation ay annual depreciation equals cost minus salvage value divided by useful life. Very simple lang at ito yung dahilan kung bakit ito ang isa sa pinaka-used method sa accounting. Kaya madalas ginagamit ang straight line method ay dahil madali i-compute, stable ang yearly depreciation expense, accepted by accounting standards, good for budgeting dahil predictable ang numbers, and lastly, ideal for long-term assets like buildings and equipments. Ngayon, mag-solve tayo ng isang example para mas ma-visualize natin kung paano ginagamit ang straight line method. Solve this one example. The problem is, a company buys a computer worth 40,000 pesos. It is expected to have the salvage value of 5,000 pesos after 5 years. Using the straight line depreciation method, compute the annual depreciation and create a depreciation schedule. So ang hahanapin natin ay ang annual depreciation and depreciation schedule. So, ang gamit natin na formula ay ang annual depreciation equals C minus S over N. So, ang cost natin ay 40,000 pesos minus 5,000 pesos, which is the salvage value, over the useful life, which is the 5 years. So, let's compute 40,000 minus 5,000 divided by 5 is equals 7,000 pesos. So, ang 7,000 pesos ay ang depreciation natin every year. Ito yung amount na ibinabawas sa value ng computer yearly. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman kung paano gumawa at mag-compute ng depreciation schedule gamit ang straight line depreciation method. So, ang given natin is cost of asset, 40,000, salvage value is 5,000, and the useful life is 5 years. The annual depreciation is 7,000 pesos. Nakuha natin yung 7,000 pesos using the formula. Cost minus salvage value divided by the useful life. Ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng depreciation schedule. Usually, 3 columns ang kailangan. First is the year. Second is the depreciation expense. And the last one is the book value. End of year. So, for the first column, ilalagay natin yung year 1 hanggang year 5. Sa second column naman, ilalagay natin yung depreciation expense, which is the 7,000 pesos every year dahil straight line ito. Sa book value means magkano na lang ang value ng asset after mabawasan ng depreciation. So, ang formula para dito ay book value end of year equals previous book value minus annual depreciation. So, mag-start tayo sa year 1. Beginning book value is the cost of the asset, which is the 40,000. Ibabawas natin ang depreciation na 7,000 pesos. So, 40,000 minus 7,000 is equals to 33,000. So, ang book value at the end of year 1 is 33,000 pesos. Sa year 2 sa year 2 naman, gagamitin natin yung ending book value ng year 1, which is the 33,000 pesos as the beginning value for year 2. Again, minus 7,000. So, 33,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 26,000. So the book value at the end of year 2 is 26,000 pesos. Sa year 3 naman, beginning value is 26,000 pesos minus depreciation of 7,000 pesos. So again, 26,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 19,000. So, year 3 ends with 19,000 pesos. Sa year 2, beginning value is 19,000 pesos minus 7,000 pesos is equal to 12,000. So, ang book value end of year 4 is 12,000 pesos. And lastly, for the year 5, which is the beginning value is 12,000 pesos minus the 7,000 pesos, which is the annual depreciation is equal to 5,000. And finally, sa year 5, ang ending book value ay 5,000 na siya ring salvage value. Ibig sabihin na tapos na ang useful life ng asset at ito na lang yung estimated remaining value niya. Makikita natin na every year pareho lang ang depreciation at unti-unting bumababa yung book value hanggang umabot siya sa salvage value. So that's how to compute and make a depreciation schedule using the straight line method. Step by step lang talaga. Deduct the same amount each year until you reach the salvage value. That ends my presentation. Sana nakatulong itong explanation lalo na yung step-by-step problem. Thank you for watching.